Hey parents, this video is made for your kids when you just need a little bit of time for yourself. You might be in the kitchen cooking something and you need to be really focused and you want to give your kids a healthy activity to do. So we're going to go ahead and get started by coming into a comfortable seat. And we are going to cook something up ourselves. So today we're going to make a pizza. Who likes to eat pizza? I know I do. All right, well, before we begin, let's take a deep breath in to get set. And out. All right, now pat your legs. We're gonna say the recipe. So let's pat, 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 and pat, pat, pat. Making a pizza, making a pizza. Yum, 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 making a pizza. Keep going with me. This time, let's crisscross, crisscross. We have to roll out the dough. Roll out the dough. Roll, 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 roll out the dough. Then put on the sauce. Put on the sauce. Put it on, put it on, put on the sauce. Put on the cheese. Put on the cheese. Put it on, put it on, put on the cheese. Put on the toppings. Put on the toppings, put on the toppings, and ready to bake. Baking our pizza, baking our pizza. Bake it up, baking the pizza. Ready to eat, ready to eat. Yum, 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 ready to eat. All right, that's what we have to do, so let's get started. We're gonna spread our legs out wide. And this is our cooking surface here. All right. So we're going to start. What was the first thing that we needed to do? Do you remember in our recipe? We need to roll out the dough. So we have our pizza dough here. Let's roll it out. So can you bring your arms forward and roll? Roll out your pizza. Roll out the dough. Back and forth. Back and forth. Let's see. How far can you roll it? Come forward and back. Roll and roll. You might even roll with your hands. Let's try that. Can you roll while you come forward and roll while you come back? Forward and back. And roll and roll. All right, how does it look? Is it nice and round? Let's see, we might need to kind of fix it, making sure it's really round. Can you draw a big circle with your hands to make sure it's nice and round? Then let's go the other way. All right, so our dough is ready to go. What was next in our recipe? Our sauce. All right, so let's put some sauce on. Can you scoop some sauce and then spread it out? We gotta spread it all around. So you can make some big circles with your body, some small circles as you spread, maybe even move your arm, get a good stretch with your arm. And then let's try putting it on with the other side. So take your other hand and let's try scooping a little bit more on with that hand. Go around and around. Really move your arm. Move your whole body. All right, I think the sauce is all set. Does anyone remember what's next? What do we have to put next on our pizza? Did you say cheese? I think that's next. All right, so let's get our cheese and we're gonna sprinkle it on. Sprinkle, sprinkle, sprinkle. Let's really get our hand moving here. So can you shake and sprinkle it with your hand? Open and close your hand. Get a little stretch for your hand and your fingers. Then let's do that with the other hand. So sprinkle your cheese all over your pizza. You got it. All right, I think that's all ready. So we got our cheese, we got our sauce, our dough's ready. What's next? The toppings. Now this is where you get to choose what you want to put on. So what kind of topping would you like to put on your pizza? Maybe some vegetables. I like to put some peppers on. So, if we're gonna do peppers, we gotta cut them up. So whatever your topping is, let's cut up your topping. Put it right in front of you and let's chop, 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 chop. Side to side, chop, 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 chop. Side to side. All right. Let's see, get it really chopped up into tiny, tiny pieces. All right, I think you're ready to put all your toppings on your pizza. So spread those out, put them on your pizza. There we go. All right. Well, I think our pizza's ready. Time to put it in the oven. So this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna scoop it up, and we're gonna put it on a pizza sleeve if you've ever seen one of those. So put your legs together. I'm gonna turn sideways, and we're gonna balance our pizza on our legs. Can you lift your legs and slide it on like you're sliding it onto a pizza peel? Put your arms here by your side. All right, balance, balance, balance. And we're gonna slowly slide it into the oven. So can you straighten your legs and slide it in? Try that again. Slide it in the oven. Get it really in there. Here we go. Scoot it in, slide it in the oven. You got it. All right, now we have to wait. So let's do a couple rock and rolls while we wait. Let's count to 10. We'll do 10 rock and rolls, forwards and backwards as we wait. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're almost there. Keep going. 6, 7. Couple more. 8. 9, 10. Ding! Our pizza is ready. Let's take it out of the oven. All right, we got to be really careful. So come forward, grab your pizza. Here we go. Let's put it back on that pizza sleeve. Put your legs back out. We're going to balance, 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 balance. All right, take it up into your hands. Now it's really hot, right? So we're not holding it directly on our hands. It would be on a plate or on our pizza sleeve. Let's blow very gently on our pizza to cool it off. So take a big breath in. Blow out. Take another big breath in and out. One more time. Blow gently, big breath in and out. All right, let's put it down. Let's let it keep cooling a little bit longer. And I want you to lay down on your back. We're just gonna get ready. Take a couple breaths here as we relax on our back. As you're here, I want you to imagine what the pizza would taste like in your mouth, or any other yummy food you might like to eat, or maybe whatever you're gonna have tonight for dinner. Maybe you even smell the scent of some food cooking in your house. Take a deep breath in and out. One more time. Big breath in and out. Last time. Big breath in. Imagine you're smelling your yummy food. And let it go. All right. You can have a seat and get ready to eat your yummy food. All right, thanks for playing along with me today. If you enjoyed this, make sure to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and I'll see you later.